G'day folks, welcome back to Pete's Investing. It's December 8, 2023. This is the nat gas price update. This is the commodity chart first. I'm going to go through some other shares as well in a minute. So you can see here we've got the weekly, daily and hourly. And I'll go through each of these pretty quick actually. I'm not going to drill down too much, but you can see there on the weekly hasn't changed much from yesterday. Still trending sideways, although the CCI itself is broken down through the moving average. On the daily, still a pretty steep decline on our CCI 150, our divergence indicator, and our CCI 400 is still trending pretty steeply down below its moving average. Now the price has hit this key support at 24.71 overnight. You can see there on the hourly, we did finish here yesterday, just about 10 points above where we are now, and then it bounced off this support at 24.71, and it's currently resting around there. We've still got a bullish divergence on our CCI 150, our divergence indicator, and our CCI 400 is still probably irrelevant at the moment. It's roller coasting up and down. So this is a key one at the moment. We may see a bit of a bounce from here. So if I move that Fibonacci down to that point there, and we can also adjust our minimal retrace. And again, that's a minimal retrace to hit that range there between the 23 and the 38% level. Of course, it can go higher. If it does break above the 61%, that's going to be key. And we're going to see potentially further upside if it does break that 61% level. But at the moment, one stage at a time. Let's see if it hits this initial target area. It could just hit that area, then break further to the downside, but that's where we are at the moment. Next, we're going to look at the shares, the Pro Shares Ultra DJ Natural Gas. Now, we did draw this support yesterday at 29.70, and it hasn't really changed from there, so that support remains. You can see there this is also a bullish divergence on the hourly, and that's really the main difference between today and yesterday's result. But you can see there as well, on the weekly, the CCI 400 has broken above its moving average and slightly trending upwards. The daily CCI 400 is also trending upwards, although the CCI 150 is pretty steeply declined from where we were, and that's in line with the price chart. But as I said, we're bouncing off this support which we drew yesterday, and it's moving ever so slightly sideways, and we may see it bounce from there, hence the question mark. Next share we're looking at is the United States Natural Gas Fund, UNG. Similar to the previous chart, you can see there the CCI 400 on the weekly is broken down and still in a decline. The CCI 400 on the daily is also broken to the downside, although we do have this bullish divergence on the hourly, and same as the other charts, it's bouncing off that support at 501 with a potential bounce. But these long-term time frames don't give it much hope for a bounce at the moment, but that's what the indicators are showing. And lastly, the Pro Shares Ultra Short natural gas prices. This is the converse, if you like. Now we've drawn this resistance up here at 98.63, and if I move that Fibonacci up there, we're just going to slightly move that target area. So this may bounce. We've got a bearish divergence there. It may bounce down from that resistance and hit this in the interim. And you can see there the CCI 400 is starting to curve, although not in a downtrend yet. So we may see a bit of a bounce to the downside. So that's where we are at the moment with all the shares as well as the commodity natural gas prices. If you got value out of the video, hit that like and subscribe button, hit that notification bell. If you want to get more insight into some weekly scans of some shares, subscribe to the Patreon page. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.